Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl, Linda Sims, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called Too Crazy. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise, and it's only 16 counts, but instructors, it is the perfect dance for your beginners, not the new ones that just walking in. Okay, you would have to stop and teach this one, all right, because you make a change, a turn on just a movement, okay, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. But it packs a punch. This dance is only 16 counts that moves counterclockwise. I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do you know the classic to this dance? So this is Donald Big Stuff, DJ Donald Big Stuff, and ANDRAE Brown of Just Move 2 that's created this dance. But the classic is Love Crazy Shuffle. You know that one? If you don't, you need to teach your class because it's a classic, okay? So check that one out. So if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. Let's dance together. Watch Shelly and click right here and let's dance together. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Y'all guys are so awesome. Thank you so very kindly. Thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We sold out in less than 24 hours. Like, it's crazy. It was crazy. So thank you so much for your support. We're looking forward to hosting you in 2026. So are you ready to get busy? Let's go. So I'm going to stand on this wall right here because we'll get a chance to go around. Like I told you, it's a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise, okay? So it's going to start with the weight on the left, and you're going to do a cross tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, tap 2. Cross 3, tap 4. Cross 5, tap 6. Cross 7, tap 8. Okay? So you cross on the right, and you won't wind up with the right out. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, 5, tap 6, 7, tap 8. Okay? From here, we're going to fan our heels to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll stop on 7, and then I'm looking in this direction, which a quarter turn to my left. So instead of doing 7, 8, I stop on 7 and then clap on 8, lifting my left leg. Okay? And that's part of the dance, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap 8. Okay? That's how you're going to get to your next wall. Is that cool or what? To your left. Quarter turn to your left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap 8. You clap 8 and lift that left leg up. All right? So let's add that. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7 with the cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap 8. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with the heel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So your left leg is up. We're going to shuffle up on the left. Left, right, left. Then come back on the right. Right, left, right. So we're not shuffling up left, right, left, right. We go up on the left, right, and come back on the right. Right, left, right. All right? So let's add that. Real simple so far, right? It is simple. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 1 and 2, back 3 and 4. Did you get it? You're going to have to practice that because when you go up, you want to continue going up. But you go up and come back. All right? So it just takes practice, okay, to get that muscle memory. Now get it. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, clap 8. Up, 1 and 2, back 3 and 4. All right? So my weight, so my right. That's the last step. I'm going to do an easy step. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, out 8. And the dance starts over. All right? So I shuffle. 1 and 2, back 3 and 4, easy. 5, 6, easy. 7, out 8. When that heel out, to start the dance with the cross, okay? So it starts on the right where you just cross on the right, but it ends with the right out. Now, if you don't want to turn, you don't want to do the walk easy. Walk easy, walk easy. With the left shoulder coming back, half turn, you're going to go up. 1, 1, 2, 3, tap 4. So you rock back first. Left, right, left, tap out. So when you do the easy, it's 1, 2, 3, tap 4. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Rock back first, okay? Because you're doing it easy. Walk easy with your left shoulder coming back, left leg coming back. 1, 2, 3, tap 4. So if you're not going to turn, you come back first. 1, 2, 3, tap 4. And the dance starts over. All right? So let's put that together at this wall. Crossing it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that turn comes on 7, 7, 8. So you're doing 2 things, 3 things. You're turning a quarter turn to your left. You're clapping and the knee comes up. Okay? Shuffle up on the left, back on the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, out 8. Don't forget to tap out. Okay? All right? Now, let's put it together. You're going to do it at this wall, and this wall, and we can do it at this wall, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn 8. Up 1 and 2. Back 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1 and 2. Back 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn 8. Up 1 and 2. Back 3 and 4. Walk 5, 6, 7. Out 8. Did you get it? All right. So that is 2. The number 2. Too crazy. Check it out at the end. Let's dance together. And leave me a comment. I love when y'all guys leave me a comment. Thank you so much. And check out Love Crazy Shuffle. If you don't, instructors, if you don't know that dance, that's a classic. They're going to play that everywhere you go. If you're a student, you don't know the dance, take time to learn the dance. So what I'll do is I'll put Too Crazy over here and Love Crazy Shuffle over here, okay, the instructional. So learn the dance, come back and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.